Okay, I'm back with another little day 4 vlog. About 24 hours after my last one that I recorded. I'll try to keep this steady. I woke up feeling weird. My body was just not communicating. My brain wasn't communicating with my body the way that my brain usually does.
She continued to tell me kind of the symptoms she was having. She was trying to drive and she'd tell her foot to hit the gas and it would hit the brake and vice versa, and try to put the car in reverse and would hit the windshield wipers, and all of that was super concerning for me.
So on the morning of the 10th, while my mom was working from Denver, she was talking to her manager, Kristen Douglas, and let her know that I was kind of going through something. I was being a little stubborn and I was gonna need to go to the hospital. And Kristen, who happened to be off work that day, came and picked me up and took me to the hospital that I needed to go to. They were immediately concerned that I was having a stroke. So they got me in, they sent me in for a CT scan and for an MRI, and then they informed me that I had blood clots in the veins of my brain. I was kind of under the impression that I was gonna get the clot out and I was gonna leave with no clots, but found out today I'm basically I started having some fears that I might not actually leave the hospital, that I could actually die at 27 years old.
First of all, the big concern was, why is this happening? She's 27 years old. But as we were on our way leaving on day 7, they got some results back that showed that she has a gene mutation that causes deep vein thrombosis, that she is 2 to 4 times more likely to develop blood clots. She potentially could have blindness, she could die, she could have hemorrhaging in her brain and have to have surgery. So all of that obviously was pretty overwhelming.
So Kyree decided that she would apply for LoveWorks. At first she was not excited about doing it. She is a very independent, together young lady. LoveWorks, I explained, could be a bridge for her to be able to bridge the gap in her income until she could get back to work. She was going to be out of work for several weeks, and part of it was going to be unpaid. And I knew that she was going to be struggling financially, and I did not want her to be in that situation.
Do I really need it? Because when I'm thinking LoveWorks, I'm thinking people losing their homes or people craziness. I texted her just to ask her, is this something that I should even apply for? And she says, yes, absolutely.
We have a LoveWorks committee that oversees our program, and it's a committee of 5 people that I presented her case to. The committee does not know who the applicants are. They don't know what city they live in, what office they work out of, what team they're on. They know absolutely nothing about the applicant. The committee agreed with me that the numbers looked a little off. They voted amongst themselves to award Kyree more than what she had asked for originally.
This company, that's the thing that we love to do most. We love to wrap our arms around people who are in need and be able to provide for them. And
I can't even imagine how I would have survived post-hospital life with the stress of a financial burden of hospital bills and trying to come up with how I'm gonna make my next mortgage payment. LoveWorks helping me not even worry about the financial burden was this huge weight off my shoulders. My moving family has been beyond helpful. People that I don't even know have been sending me money for meal prep, and just a crazy amount of love